Alright, boys and girls, welcome back here to another exciting episode here. We're doing Itty Bitty Biters. Let's get right on into it. Doing some more Donkey Kong Country Returns. I'm loving this game so far. Look at this man go. Behind the scenes here, I just got a Switch. My wife gave me her old one, so I finally got a Switch for the first time ever. I know I'm late to the game. And the first game I got was Yooka-Laylee The Impossible Lair, or whatever it's called. And it's very Donkey Kong Country. Oh shoot, I already screwed up there. It's a very 2D side-scroller, much like the original Yooka-Laylee was Rare's other creme de la creme Banjo-Kazooie based. This one is Donkey Kong Country based. It's, you know, it made me go like, oh, you know what? I want to play some more Donkey Kong Country. So here we are. I love Yooka-Laylee. How come I can't grab that? There we go. I was one of the backers. My name's in the credits in the original game. And yeah, I absolutely loved Yooka-Laylee. What was in here? I saw someone in here. There was someone in there, right? Oh, what the? Oh, I see. There's like someone up there now? Who's that? You see that guy? Who is that? Whoa! Trying to sneak up on me, huh, pal? What are these? Watermelons? I love Yooka-Laylee. I know I got kind of... A lot of people didn't like it. But I thought it was exactly... And I think I've talked about this before on the channel. It was exactly what Platonic promised us in the Kickstarter. It was a game that was akin to Banjo-Kazooie and Banjo-Tooie. All the flaws in it. Oh, okay. How do I... It had a lot of flaws in it. How do I get that? How do I... Am I missing something here? Am I crazy? How do you... Hold on. I'm missing something. Some key element here. Like, that's closed, right? That's a wall right there, yeah. I'm having a hell of a time. What the hell did I do wrong? Oh, do I just have to defeat him, maybe? Oh, okay. Oh, wait, how did I... Okay. Yeah, Yooka-Laylee had a lot of flaws in it. But it was nostalgic flaws. To me. And I get that it wasn't for everybody. I totally appreciate... I totally get that. It wasn't as polished as it could have been. But that's part of the charm of it, I personally thought. I thought with that extra kind of layer of like... It felt like a Nintendo 64 game. It felt very... empty, I guess is the word I'm looking for. And a lot of people are like, oh, well, you know, that's not... The original Banjo-Kazooie wasn't as empty. When they introduced Tooie, it was a bit more wide open, a bit more empty. And I don't know. I liked it. But yeah, the Impossible Lair is fun so far, too. Easy, mate. Come on. Oh, shoot. I got this in the bag. Give me a challenge. What are those other bananas? Was that just my banana count? Was it just 2 that I had? No? What was that other? I don't know. I want that. Oh. How do I get that? Oh. should get that checkpoint first, but I'm going in here. Okay, good. Easy. Oh boy, what is this here? Whoa! Take it easy now. But I gotta bowl him over? Probably, right? I'm trying to roll! Oh boy. I love how they yell. Oh, come on. I love they're like, ah! Okay, DK, take it easy here. We don't wanna die here, right? No, sir. Oh, I meant to blow. Oh, that was stupid of me. I didn't think. Oh. Oh, man! I'm blowing it! Get this... No, don't get that barrel yet, because that'll heal you 2 times. I want that! No! There we go, huh? That's so shabby. Now, just take it easy. Easy as pie. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Almost got me, you little punk. This would be so much easier if you had your coconut guns till day here. Come on. Yeah, baby. Oh! You juked me there, huh? Okay. Wait, I wanna harvest coins here. Ouch! Oh! Oh! Alright, Diddy. I don't need you anyway. It's gotta be the end of the level, right? Come on. Give me that, baby! I could use a continue. Wow, that was a little rough. I don't know if it's just because I took a little bit of a break between episodes or what, but... Damn. Alright, Temple Topple, here we go. First try. No deaths. Deathless one, here we go. Oh, we're gonna get the... Still couldn't figure out his name. Ramby? I don't remember. Whoa. Is that a snake? Or is that a vine? Looks like a vine. Yeah, you frog. I'm looking for my man. Yeah, baby, look at that, just like that. Come on, so, there's my boy. Let's go backwards with you, shall we, pal? Yeah, baby, come on, son. Easy as pie. Come on, dude, this is awesome. Oh, I'm getting through that flaming hoop here. Oh, hold on. Is there something hidden in here? Just a coin. Okay. Oh, you didn't knock it all the way down! What are you doing? Okay. I knew one of those had to be, because it's such a pain in the ass to stop your guy here. No! Come back. I got you, buddy. See? No biggie. What I missed the K? Where was the K? Uh-oh. Come here, my boy. Come here. Gotcha. Oh, there's one right here too, huh? Oops, oops, oops. I got too excited with it. See you, chumps. Actually, I want that. Yeah, thank you. Deathless run! Oh, no! No, you missed the jump! I had to jinx it, didn't I? Son of a bitch. Oh, I'm like, why am I not floating? It's harder without Diddy. I'm gonna have to time my jumps a little more carefully! Screw him! He's gone! Leave him! Uh-oh. I needed him. Oh. Sometimes you lose momentum. Because he's not running fast enough. It's hard because, like, he doesn't run right away. It's not like Mario, where, like, you hold a button and he runs. You gotta shake the Wiimote, but there's a bit of a charge up. You see that? Like, you gotta, like, spank him on the ass first. And he does not want to... when you land after you jump, you can't run right away. Yeah, holy shit. I knew it was a puzzle piece. Holy hamburgers. Alright, let's take this boss on and finish the, finish it up here. Alright, let's see, we fought... it's gotta be... the elephant's gotta be coming up soon, right? Ruined Roost. Okay, so it must be a bird I'm fighting. DK, quick, your gun! Like the Koopa Clown car. Oh, he's insane. Are those like bombs he's got in there? Alright. Nice. What do these do? I'm assuming that breaks the thing. No, it doesn't do shit. It looks like the bottom bricks can break. Is that a nuke? They can. Okay, see that? Whoa, Nelly. Give me this one. No! No, what happened? Oh, oh, sugar pups. Oh, okay. It's a little harder than it looks. Oh, I didn't know you were going back around. You suck. Give me another bomb. Okay, or a nuke. What is that? I don't want these things. I want this. Give me this. Got her. Okay, that was close. So I don't think I would have been able to dodge her next attack. Oh, don't look, DK. Let's beat the shit out of this guy. Fucked him up. Hell yeah, dude. Wonder if that does anything. Depending on how many hits, or that's just fun to do. It's probably just fun to do. It's classic Nintendo. Beauty. Alright, boys and girls, that's gonna do it for today. Next episode here, we're going to the cave, the rickety rails. Oh, is this gonna be like a whole minecart world? I hope not, because those are a little tough for me. Until next time, stay cool, stay frosty. That's the pasta, babies.